Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's all about getting some things organized and decluttered in my home. I'm going to start off in my bathroom, move to my bedroom, and then go downstairs to my pantry area. For all of those who are new, welcome. I'm Kim. Please, before you leave out, hit that red subscribe button and show the like button some love as well. This is my magic concoction in this bottle. The concoction is a mixture of isopropyl alcohol, white distilled vinegar, and the blue original Dawn dish soap. That is Kim's magic concoction, and I do plan to sell it one day. Hey, vinegar, hit your girl up. I need a sponsorship, okay? Just saying. Much better.
When she kissed your lips, oh what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, go ahead now, adore me, oh so
See how dirty these floors are. They're horrible. These are horrible too. Baseboards. In case no one has told you today, it is okay to declutter and organize and it not be pretty when you're finished, okay? This is a lived-in home, and let's be real, this cabinet's gonna be messed up tomorrow. All I wanna do is just make sure it is straightened up and looking better than what it was.
Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl.
In my last video, I mentioned being a 95%er, and what I mean by that is I always do a project, I complete it 95% of it, and then I have, another 5% to finish. So your girl is doing it today, okay? And I'm celebrating because, hey, it's only been a month compared to 2 years, like the paint that is on the top of the shower. Let me know if you can relate in the comments below.
See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable.
Let me know how you're doing in the comments below. In my world, we are still trying to bring awareness to mental health in our youth. And I'm like the perfect advocate, okay? Because your girl has anxiety, depression. And it's so hard to explain because I'm very bubbly and I'm a very happy person. But sometimes I'm really sad. Not to mention your girl lives in a dust bucket. Anyway, I cannot tell you why I have these episodes of feeling sad and feeling lonely and feeling whatever. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I know whose I am, and I know that it's just a temporary feeling. And I know that I can just call on him and he's going to be there for me. So I want everyone to be healed, okay? Once you have that healing and you feel that healing taking place in your life, you want to pass that on. And I want to pass it on to everybody. And I have quite the testimony to tell. So if you are struggling, you are not alone, and it is okay. Affirmations are very helpful. It helps you to learn how to love yourself so that when you are sad, you know what to do because you know yourself and you know what makes you happy. So, that's where the healing comes in, and that's where the healing takes place. It's like being able to deal with the hand that you were dealt with. Those cards that are not necessarily the good cards, and then sometimes you do have good cards. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Don't buy these. They are terrible.
In case you have not been told today, you are enough, girl. You are worthy, and there is no one that's like you because God made you to be unique. So stand out and don't try to fit in.
Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you.
Here I am cleaning all of this off, and it's not even, my camera wasn't even rolling. So now I'm trying to get this straightened up and proceed. In case you're new, let me tell you what my least favorite chore is. Laundry. I do not do laundry unless my husband's gone out of town, and he wasn't gone out of town, so I'm just folding my laundry up. Like, how dare him not fold my laundry and put it away for me? I'm just joking. Calm down.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Be with you.
Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. Please do not forget to hit the like button. It really shows YouTube that my videos are something that people want to watch. And my camera died after this. The other thing was I was so tired. You guys know that I'm dealing with the chronic fatigue with the long COVID. So sometimes it just takes me out like unexpectedly. And this was one of those times. So this part definitely abruptly ended.
Be
striving to accomplish your goals, make sure that you are focusing on exactly what it is that God has right in front of you that you want to conquer, and you focus on that. Don't worry about what other people say about you. Don't worry about anything else. Just focus on that.
Give you up, give you up. And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my
Just a 7-minute tidy organization, so to speak, and it looks so much better. But it's a pantry. It is not supposed to be like Pinterest pantry worthy because your girl don't do that kind of stuff, but it looks good. Everything has a home, and that's the goal. And if it doesn't have a home, it's tucked away so no one can see. Now it's time to celebrate my husband's birthday.